Do you want to enhance image quality online free and make your photos look professional? Today, I'll show you 3 easy methods. Our first method uses the powerful MP4 image upscaler online. It uses AI technology to increase image quality, and it's completely free. Step 1. Open the MP4 image upscaler website. Step 2. Click Upload Photo and select your low-quality image. Step 3. Choose the AI upscale factor 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, or 8 times. Step 4. Wait for the AI process. Details will be optimized instantly. Step 5. Save your improved quality image. If you are a Windows user, you can use the built-in Photos app to improve image quality. Step 1. Right-click the image. Select Open with Photos. Step 2. Click Edit at the top. Step 3. Go to the Adjustment option. Focus on adjusting light and sharpening. Step 4. Adjust carefully. Over-sharpening can distort the photo. Step 5. Click Save as Copy to save your improved quality image. For Mac users, the Photos app offers pro editing tools to increase the quality of image. Step 1. Open your image in Photos and click Edit. Step 2. In the right panel, select Adjust, then click Add. Step 3. Focus on adding and adjusting the sharpness and noise reduction tools. Step 4. Use noise reduction to clean up graininess, then sharpness to define lines. Step 5. Click Done to make and save your higher quality image. From online AI upscalers to built-in apps, you now have multiple ways to enhance image quality anytime. If you need to upscale the image size and enhance image quality, use the online AI tool, MP4 Image Upscaler online. If you just need quick sharpness and noise adjustment, the built-in Windows or Mac Photos apps are sufficient. That's it. These are the 3 best ways to enhance image quality. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.